Hey, Liberty.
What?
What should I get good at?
Brownies.
Brownies?
Brownies.
All right, let's get good at that.
Get good at that.
So let's do this. So we got a stick of butter. We have a cup of chocolate chips. We have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 cup and 2 tablespoons of flour. We have 2 tablespoons of cocoa, 3/4 of a cup of regular sugar, and 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. We have 3 eggs, and we have a teaspoon of vanilla.
And we have more chocolate chips.
And later there are more chocolate chips. That's a lot. First we're gonna take the butter and the chocolate. We're gonna melt these two. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna melt the butter on medium heat. And then melt the butter and chocolate chips together.
It looks so good.
So while Liberty is melting the chocolate chips and butter, I'm gonna go ahead and combine the flour, the cocoa, and the salt. I'm gonna do that with this complicated method. I'm gonna stir it.
I think it's ready.
Does it look like it's all melted nice and smooth? You see how if I don't mess with it, it's boiling? So you don't want to let it do that too much, it'll burn. And then we're gonna throw in the sugars. Smoosh, smoosh, smoosh. Now, the vanilla. And then we're gonna put the eggs in. You just keep stirring. I'll stir while you. So 3 eggs goes into this. And finally, combine the dries. All right, Quinny, see this bowl right here of chocolate chips? I want you to try and eat all of them. No, I want you to dump all of them into the brownie batter. Can you do that? There you go. And perfect. The final step is another full cup of chocolate chips after everything has been mixed up, and you don't want them to melt, so you wait until the very end. You stir them just a few times so they're nice and evenly in there. All right, so here's the thing with brownies, they take a long time. I'm gonna put them in the oven for 350, but for 50 minutes. Middle rack. All right, timer set, let's let the oven do its work. These brownies come out amazing. They've got a thin, crunchy crust around the edge and then super dense chewiness in the inside. You are welcome.
Get good at that.